Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you the step-by-step guide on how to recover a lost Trust wallet using recover phases. Now, in your web browser, click the Trust wallet icon in your web browser's extension. And in the home page, just click recover with mnemonic. Then you need to set a password. Confirm your password. And make sure to check this terms of service, then tap next. Now in here, all you have to do is to check all the boxes. Then after that, just tap next. Afterwards, you need to input the 12-word secret phrase of your lost Trust wallet. Make sure to input based on the sequence in your wallet. Then just tap next. So it's up to you if you want Trust Wallet to collect your data. Just tap the Share Data button. For now, I won't allow Trust Wallet to get my data, so I just need to click this No Thanks button. Then after that, just tap Open Wallet. And there you go. You already retrieved your Lost Trust Wallet account. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.